22 यूपी गर्ल्स बटालियन देवनागरी महाविद्यालय मेरठ से एनसीसी कैडेट हूँ। जैसा कि आप सभी को ज्ञात है कि कोविड-19 विश्व भर में वैश्विक बीमारी के रूप में फैल रहा है, जिसमें भारत भी शामिल है। इस महामारी से बचने के कुछ उपाय इस प्रकार हैं। अपने घर पर ही रहें, सामाजिक मेलजोल कम रखें, भीड़ भाड़ वाले इलाकों में जाने से परहेज करें। यदि आपको जरूरत का कोई सामान खरीदने बाहर जाना पड़ रहा है तो परिवार का केवल एक ही सदस्य बाहर जाए। अपने कपड़ों को तुरंत धोकर डालें। लोगों से कम 2 मीटर की दूरी बनाकर रखें। अपने बाहर जाने के कपड़े तथा जूते अलग बनाकर रखें। WHO यानी वर्ल्ड हेल्थ ऑर्गेनाइजेशन की रिपोर्ट के अनुसार यदि आपको कोविड-19 है तो उसके लक्षण कुछ इस प्रकार हैं: तेज बुखार, गले में खराश, खांसी, जुकाम, सरदर्द, बदन दर्द आदि। यदि आपको इनमें से कोई भी लक्षण है तो राज्य सरकार द्वारा दी गई हेल्पलाइन पर सूचित करें। अंत में मैं यही कहना चाहूंगी कि हम सब भारतीयों में राष्ट्र सुरक्षा को लेकर भावना है, इसीलिए जब भी देश पर संकट आता है हम सभी एक साथ होते हैं। जय हिंद, जय भारत।
A very good morning to one and all. I, Under Officer Muskan Sharma of 22 UP Girls Battalion from Devnagari College, Meerut. As we all know that the recent outbreak of COVID-19 is a new strain of coronavirus which has been described as pandemic by WHO. The virus has been spread all over the world. It's primarily spread through the direct contact and through the close contact with the respiratory droplets of infected person. The virus has been spread all over the world. The COVID-19 is a virus which can survive on the contaminated area from few hours to several days. Those infected people with this virus may develop flu-like symptoms, which includes fatigue, dry cough, shortness of breathing, and fever and cough. The incubation period of this virus is from day 1 to 14 days. It is contagious before symptoms appear, which is why so many people get infected. And the infected people can also be symptomatic, which means they do not show any or display any symptoms in their body in spite of virus having present in their body. Therefore, it is really very essential for us to take preventive measures. Wash your hands as much as possible with soap and water. Cover your mouth whenever you sneeze or cough with elbow or tissue paper, and make sure that you dispose that tissue paper in closed bins. Avoid direct contact with animals. Maintain social distance. Keep at least 2 meter distance between you and your others. Avoid going public places. Always follow the instructions and precautions which has been given by the government. Use masks, gloves and sanitizers whenever you go out of the house. Whenever you meet any person, make sure you know the travel history of that person, whether it is domestic or international. Do not go out of the house if it is not necessary. If it is really necessary, then make sure that only one member of the family go out of the house. And on returning of that person, make sure the person washes his hand carefully and keep his clothes away from the other members of the family's clothes. Prevention is better than cure. That is why in this crucial time, it is really important for us to stay safe and stay home until everything got back to normal. Thank you.